In today's video, we will see how we can create corporate attendance sheet in Excel. This attendance sheet will be fully automated and most of the things will be formulated. The only thing which will be manually entered will be attendance. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an attendance sheet which I have already created in advance. On the extreme left hand side, we have got the buttons to jump from one month to another. Currently, we are in the month of January. When I'll click on February, we directly jump to the February sheet. When I'll click November, we jump to the November sheet. And whenever I'll click on Annual, I reach to the Annual summary. I'll go back to January sheet. Over here, we have got the option of month and year. Whenever I'll change the month, all the dates and days will be changed automatically. Even the highlights will change and the leaves on top will change as per month. I'll do it February and we are able to see the leaves of February as well as the days changed and the highlights also got changed. When I'll go to right hand side, over here we have got the monthly summary. Total active days, present percentage, total present and all the type of leaves are over here. Over here we have got the option of holidays which will be counted automatically whenever the month will change. And also the week offs will be calculated automatically. Means we will not have to do the entry of holidays as well as week offs. Over here we have got 12 sheet for 12 months and there is one sheet of settings. In setting sheet we have got dates along with holidays name, means we have got the holidays list. I have taken holiday list of 24 because new year is coming and you will need a new attendance sheet or new attendance tracker for that. Next to holidays list, we have got employee ID along with name and their designation. In case you want to add more details of employees, you can. Over here we have got leaves along with their codes, months and year and weekdays. So each and everything like holidays, employee ID, name, designation, leave along with their codes, month, year, weekdays will be managed from setting sheet. Let's start creating a new sheet now. I'll close this and will open a blank worksheet. This is a new sheet where I have taken holidays list along with the dates, employee ID, name, their designation, leaves and their codes. All the things I have taken in columns, but leaves and their codes I have taken in rows. Over here we have got months and year and over here we can see weekdays. Our weekdays are starting from Monday till Sunday. But on the top of Monday, I have taken none. So later we will come to know why I have taken none over here. Let's start creating our sheet now. I have just created the borders without any formulas or formats to save the time. This will be month and year. I'll put some color and we'll change the font color. This will be select week offs. We are not going to fix week offs because somewhere there are 2 week offs, Saturday and Sunday, and in some places there are only 1 week off, Sunday or any other weekday. So in case you will have 2 week offs, it can be managed from here. In case you will have only 1 week off, it can be managed from here. And in case you don't give any week off, it can also be managed from here. I'll put some color and we'll change the font color. For month and year, we will create drop downs. I'll click just next to month and year. We'll go to data, data validation. From here, I'll select list, source. I'll click over here and we'll go to setting sheet. And from here, I'll select months from Jan to December. We'll click on white part once again and we'll do OK. So the drop down for month got created. I'll select January. Now we will create drop down for years. We'll go to data, data validation, list. I'll click on white part and we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select years from top to bottom. We'll click over here once again and we'll do OK. So our drop down got created. I'll click on the drop down and we'll select 2024. I'll select this and we'll put some color. We'll change the font style and we'll increase the font size. Over here just next to month and year, we will create drop down for days, means for week offs. I'll select both the cells. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. I'll click on white part and we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select weekdays from none till Sunday. We'll click on white part once again and we'll do OK. So our drop down got created. I'll select Saturday and over here I'll select Sunday. Now I'll select both. We'll go to home and we'll change the color as red. We'll change the font color. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight sales rules, equal to, and over here I'll type none, N-O-N-E, none. We'll click on the drop down. We'll go to custom format, fill. I'll click on the drop down and we select blue color. Font, I'll select the font color as white and we'll do OK. OK. So currently it's Saturday and Sunday. Whenever I'll select none, it will be blue. Perfect. And whenever we will select any other weekday, it will be red. Means it will be highlighted in red. I'll do it Saturday and Sunday. I'll increase the font size little bit more. I'll select this and we'll change the color as blue. This will be serial number, employee code, employee name, designation. In case you want to insert more things, you can. I'll select all three and will increase the font size. I'll put serial number over here and will drag till end. Employee code plus or equal to, we will be going to setting sheet and will click on first employee ID and will hit enter. Now we will have to drag this down. Employee name, we will insert the formula of VLookup over here. In case you are not a master of VLookup, you can watch the video on my channel. Over there you will get the video of lookup, VLookup, HLookup and XLookup. And I have covered all the things in a single video. Let's insert our formula over here. Plus or equal to VLookup, bracket open, lookup value. We will select employee code as lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to our setting sheet and we'll select employee ID and name. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma. We have to provide column index number. So employee ID is in column number 1 and name is in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we have got name of first employee over here. Now we will drag this down. Designation. Again we will insert the formula of VLookup. Plus or equal to VLookup, bracket open, lookup value. Let's take employee name as lookup value this time, comma, table array. We will be going to setting sheet and we'll select name and designation. The basic reason behind selecting name, because we have taken lookup value as name. We'll press function F4, column index number. Name is in column number 1 and designation is in column number 2. So we will put comma 2, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Perfect. Over here we will insert our dates and days. And both the things, days and dates, will be dynamic, means fully automated. Whenever we will change month and year, from top, all the dates and days will be changed or managed automatically. So the formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month and we will select year. We will lock month and year. We'll press function F4. So the year got logged. Now we will lock month also. We'll press function F4. We'll come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We have got some error because column size is small. When I'll manage this, we have got our dates. Now we will insert our second date and formula for second date will be totally different from the first one. Plus or equal to if, bracket open, first date, I'll insert dollar between H and 4, will press function F4 2 times, is smaller than, means first date is smaller than EO month, bracket open. We will select first date once again, will press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma 0, bracket close, comma first date plus 1, comma double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got second date now. We can see some random figures over here. I'll right click the mouse, we'll go to format cells, date, and we'll select a desired date format. OK. So this is our second date. I'll select both the dates, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to custom, we'll remove general and we'll type DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. So format of dates got changed. Now it's 0102. I'll click on second date and we'll drag this till end. So we have got our dates till 31st. When I'll change the month, I'll do it February, and we can see dates till 29. 2024 is leap year. Only reason we are able to see days till 29 in February. If I'll do it 23, days will be visible till 28 only. I'll undo this. Now we will insert the formula for days, and the formula is plus or equal to text, bracket open, we will select the first date, comma, double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got our first day over here. Drag this till end. Now we will insert our holidays over here, and the holidays will be connected through VLookup. Means it will be fully dynamic. Whenever the month and year will change, all the holidays will change automatically. So the formula is plus or equal to VLookup, bracket open, lookup value. We have to provide first date as our lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to setting sheet and we'll select dates and holiday list from top. The basic reason behind selecting this from top, in case your list increases or decreases, you'll not have to change the selection again and again. I'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma. Holidays name are in column number 2, so we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some error because there's no value against first date of February in our setting sheet. So to avoid this error, we will put the criteria of if error over here. If error, bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now it's empty and we are not able to see anything. I'll drag this till end and all the leaves are visible now. We will leave this selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic, and from the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula is, we will take this down, and the formula is plus or equal to, we will click on first holiday, we'll remove first dollar from here, is not equal to. For not equal to, we have to insert smaller than, greater than, not equal to blank. So for blank, we will insert double inverted comma twice. So this is our formula. I'll take this up. We'll click on the drop down, custom format. We'll go to fill, and from the drop down, I'll select a desired color. We'll go to font, and we'll change the color as black, means font color as black, and we'll do OK. OK. So name of the holidays got highlighted. I'll give it a color as blue. We'll go to borders, no border, and we'll give it a outside border. Perfect. We'll put some color over here also, and we'll change the font color. Now this started looking like a format. Now we have to highlight our week offs, and it will be managed from here, means from top. So we will select from first date till last date and from top to bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this little bit right side, and our formula is plus or equal to, bracket open, we will select the first day, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, we will select our first week off, means we will click over here, bracket close, plus, bracket open, we will select first day once again, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, we will select the second day. We'll close the bracket, We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. From here we will select red color and we'll do OK. Let's go to custom format once again, fill, red color, we'll go to font and we'll select white color and we'll do OK. OK. So all the week offs got highlighted from top. When we will change the days from here, I'll do it none and only Sunday got highlighted. If I'll select none over here also, none of the days are highlighted. In case I'll select Monday, Mondays will be highlighted. In case I'll select Friday, all the Fridays will be highlighted. Perfect. I'll do it as Saturday and Sunday. Now we will highlight our holidays. I'll select this once again. Conditional formatting. New rule. From the drop down, I'll select Classic. And from here, we will have to select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. I'll take this little bit down. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will select first holiday, we'll remove dollar from beginning, not equal to, for not equal to we will have to insert smaller than greater than, not equal to blank, for blank I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this up, we'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and I'll select a desired color from here. We'll change the font color as white and we'll do OK. OK. So our holidays got highlighted. We have to highlight one more thing, that is end of the month. After 29th, we are able to see white. We will highlight it as red and later we will restrict it. So we will leave it selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will have to select classic. And from the drop down we will have to select use a formula to determine which cells to format. Perfect. I'll take this down and the formula will be plus or equal to, I'll select first date, we'll remove first dollar, is equal to blank. For blank, we will have to insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this up, we'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and from here we will select red color and we'll do OK. OK. So the basic reason behind selecting red colors for week offs and month ends, that it will be restricted and the person who is doing the entry will come to know automatically that these cells are restricted. Even the blue one will be restricted for holidays. When we will change the month, we'll do it January, the highlights will change automatically. Means the highlights of week offs and holidays will change automatically. Now let's restrict our cells. I'll select this. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select custom formula. I'll take this little bit right side and our formula will be plus or equal to, bracket open, we will select first day from here, we'll insert dollar between h and 5, not equal to, for not equal to we will insert smaller than greater than, we will select first week off from here, we'll press function F4 and we will lock this cell, bracket close. So this is our first validation. Into, now we will insert our second validation, bracket open, we will select first day once again, we'll insert dollar between h and 5, not equal to, we will select second day, we'll press function F4 and we'll lock this cell, bracket close. Into, now we will insert our third validation for month ends, bracket open. Through validation we are going to restrict our cells, means we are going to restrict our week offs, month ends and holidays. We will select first day from here, we'll insert dollar between h and 5, not equal to blank, for blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, bracket close. Into, bracket open, we will select our first holiday, we'll insert dollar between h and 3. The basic reason behind inserting dollar in between, we are going to lock our columns. In case you have to lock your rows, the dollar will be inserted in the very beginning and not in the mid, is equal to double inverted comma twice, bracket close. The last criteria I have inserted for holidays. means the first criteria is for first week of, second criteria is for second week of, third criteria is for month end, and the fourth or last criteria is for holidays. We'll do OK, and our cells got restricted. Let's check it once. I'll type something over here, P, and we are not able to do the entry. I'll do some entry over here, P, and the entry is done, P, and we are able to do the entry. Let me insert something over here, P, and it's restricted. P, it's restricted. I'll delete this. We'll change the month as February. And over here in month end, let's try to type something, P, and the entry is totally restricted. I'll select this once again. We'll go to data validation. This is the formula what we had inserted. On the top we have got settings, input message and error alert. We have to click on error alert. Over here it's stop. So we are not going to change this. In the title, we will give a title of our choice. Can't do entry. You can put any title of your choice in any language. Error message. So what may be the error message? Week offs, holidays or month end. Let's do OK. Now let's try to insert something. P. Enter. And we got our error alert message. Can't do entry, week offs, holidays or month end. Cancel. So this part is done now. Let's come to right hand side. Let me freeze the pane. I'll click just under first day. We'll go to view and we'll freeze the pane. Now I'll come to right hand side. We'll click over here. We'll go to home and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This is monthly summary. We'll increase the font size and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size little bit more. Perfect. This will be total active days. Over here we will put present percentage. Present percent. Now over here we are not going to insert anything manually. We will put plus or equal to. We'll go to setting sheet and we'll click on first leaves. So over here I have inserted present and rest of the leaves or week offs or holidays are just ahead of present. So I'll click over here and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. So I'll select both the things and we'll drag this till end. So I have made this dynamic. In case you will change anything in setting sheet from here, it will be changed in month as well as annual sheet also. Let's put some color over here to make our format little bit attractive. So all the colors are done now. Now we will insert the formula for holidays and week offs. And the formula will be plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We will come to the left hand side and we select dates from first till end, means from first till last date. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. We'll close the bracket, minus count blank, bracket open. We will go to left hand side and we'll select from first holiday till last holiday. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Bracket close and we will hit enter. So we got 2 holidays over here. Let's cross check it. So 2 holidays are visible. I'll do it January. And in the month of January we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 holidays. Let's cross check by going in right hand side. 6 holidays are visible. So the formula is working perfectly. I'll drag this down. We'll come to right hand side. Total week offs plus or equal to count if, bracket open. We'll go to left hand side and we'll select from first day till last day. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma. We will select day from here. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Bracket close plus count if, bracket open. We will select this range once again, means from first day till last day of the month. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma. We will select second day from here. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we have got 8 VLookups over here. Let's cross check. 2 to 4 to 6. But 2 VLookups are over here also. We are not able to see red because of holidays. We'll do one thing. We'll select this, conditional formatting, manage rules, and we'll take holidays in extreme bottom, and we'll do OK. So the VLookups are visible over here now in red. Let's count this. 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8. In the right hand side also we are able to see 8 VLookups. We will drag this down. Total active days, and the formula will be plus or equal to count, bracket open. We will come to left hand side. We will select from first date till last date. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. We'll close the bracket, minus, we'll come to right hand side. So from the criteria of count, it will count all the days of the month. But active days will be total days minus holidays minus week off. So minus holidays minus week off, and we will hit enter. So total active days are 17. We will drag this down. Total present, total CL, PL, the formula will be same. Plus or equal to count if, bracket open. We will select from first date till last date, but we are not going to select the date. We will select first employee, and we'll select till last date, means till 31st. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert dollar before H and dollar before AL6, comma. We will select P from here to make this dynamic. We'll insert dollar between AO5. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So whenever P will be inserted, it has counted the number as 1. I'll delete this. I'll come to right hand side and we'll drag this till end. We'll drag it down. We'll come to right hand side. We'll copy our formula, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. And we'll drag this to leave without pay also. And we'll drag this down. So all the formulas got inserted. Now we have to insert the formula for present percentage. And the formula will be plus or equal to total present divided by total active days, and we will hit enter. Now we will click over here. We'll go to center and we'll click on percent sign. Now we will drag this down. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select all. We'll go to conditional formatting. Highlight cell rule equal to. We will put 0 over here. We'll click on the drop down. Custom format. Font. Color as white. So whenever it will be 0, it will not be visible. OK. OK. So zeros are not visible now. We'll come to left hand side. So format for 1 month is ready now. I'll put some color over here because we have to put name of the months. I'll select this. We'll merge the cells. This is attendance sheet. Change the color. Means we will change the font color. So all the things got inserted over here. Means format for 1 month is ready now. We will create 12 sheet for 12 months. We'll click on month's name. We'll right click the mouse. Move or copy. Move to end. We'll take this up. Create a copy and we'll do OK. Now we will select both the sheets by pressing shift. We'll right click the mouse. Move or copy. Move to end. Create a copy. OK. Now we will click on first month. We'll press shift and we'll click on last month. Means we will select all our sheets. We'll right click the mouse. Move or copy. Move to end. Create a copy. OK. So we have got 8 sheets now. We'll click over here. We'll press shift and we'll select 4 months. We'll right click the mouse. Move or copy. We'll come down. Move to end. Create a copy. OK. So we have got 12 sheet for 12 months. This is January. This will be February. March. We'll do it February. and we rename till December. So we have renamed all the sheets till December. I'll insert one more sheet for annual. Move or copy. We'll come down, move to end, create a copy. OK. So this will be annual or yearly. In annual sheet, we don't need days. So we will remove this from here. Delete. We'll delete all the formulas. We'll delete this. We'll select this and we'll remove the color. We'll remove the borders. Now we will select this and we'll merge together. We'll put outside border. Now let's go to January. Now we will insert button to jump from one month to another. We'll go to insert, illustrations, shapes. We'll come down and we'll select a desired shape. We'll click over here and our shape got inserted. Now we will click on the shape. We'll go to shape format, shape fill. We will do it red. Outline, no outline. We'll put this in extreme left. We'll type Jan over here. We'll go to home. We'll increase the font size. We'll take this in mid. We'll change the font style. Now we will create 12 button for 12 months. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this down. We'll keep on pressing Ctrl and we'll creating more shapes. January, this will be February, March, April, and we'll rename till December. And this will be annual. Now we will connect all the months together. We'll click on February. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll select February from the list and we'll do OK. March, right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll select March and we'll do OK. And in the same way, we will connect all the months. So all the sheets got connected with January. Now we will copy all the shapes. We'll press Ctrl and we'll select one by one. In case you are using MacBook, you'll have to press Ctrl and Command together. Copy. We'll go to the month of February and we'll paste over here. We'll take this little bit down. All the months got connected except January. So we will click over here. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink, and we'll select January. OK. Again, we will press Ctrl. We'll select all the months and we'll copy it. We'll go to each month and we'll paste. We'll remove color from here. We'll remove the border also. Now we will connect all the sheets with annual summary. We will change the name and we'll do as annual summary. We will click over here just under total active days plus or equal to, we will go to January sheet and we'll click in total active days plus February. We'll click under total active days plus March plus, in the same way we will connect till December and we will hit enter. So we got 231 as total active days. We will drag this down and we'll drag till end. So we got total active days, total holidays and total week offs. We will delete this from here, means present percentage, and we'll insert our formula plus or equal to total present divided by total active days and we will hit enter. Currently we are not getting anything because in previous sheet we haven't done any entry. Let me do some entry in December. Now I'll be going to annual sheet. We got some random number over here. We will select this. We'll go on top and we'll click on percentage sign. So now we are able to see the percent. So our attendance sheet is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.